Hi guys and welcome to the channel. Today we're here with the K8 and we're about ready to do his full service. Let's start with the oil and filter change.
We've loosened off the oil filler cap and now we're going to remove the sump plug so that we can allow the oil to drain. Now to remove the old oil filter. Whilst the oil's draining, we can get on with removing the air filter box, ready to change the air filter. Now it's time to remove and replace all 4 spark plugs. Let's get that air filter box back on. Time to put the new sump plug back in, and then we'll put on the new oil filter so that we can get ready to fill him back up with oil. Now for the hardest job.
Good luck.
I can't even see this. And look, we've got no bolts, so this just comes off.
What are you on about hard then?
Here he is, look.
Easiest job.
Right, that's the service all done.
Although we did notice a lot of rust at the rear end.
So we'll see you next weekend and we'll get cracked on with that.
No, disaster.
What happened?
I don't know, it wouldn't go down the main drain. Spillage.